Okay, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I'm Laura, if you didn't know, now you know. And it is Hazel's first gymnastics class. So, I think I've already said on here before. River! Sorry, my one dog likes to chase my other dog when the other dog's trying to go to the bathroom. So, anyways, I'm just watching them go to the bathroom. Real quick here. Hazel is still in bed. I think she's awake. She's definitely awake, but she's like just chilling, like playing with her stuffed animals. So I'm like, whatever, I can let the dogs out without having to worry about Hazel and her. But go potty. Okay, fine. No. God, we have a husky and he's literally insane sometimes. This bitch always gets outside too somehow. Anyways, Hazel is, sorry for the really bad lighting. Hazel's sleeping. Well, sleeping. She's awake, but she's just playing. So I thought I would let her sleep while I take care of the dogs real quick. And yeah. So if you didn't, I think I've already said on here before. Maybe I'll set you guys right here. So dark. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna take care of the dogs and then I'll look. I literally vacuumed yesterday. This is Nimbus. Okay. Anyways, Hazel, or I think I said before, I coach gymnastics. Like, I just have one team that I coach. I coach a couple days a week, and yeah, just kind of like getting back into it. I told them when they hired me I only wanted to work a couple days a week. I'm working on getting like certified so that I can go to meets. But they do have two coaches on the team. One coach is USAG certified, so he also goes to the meets. I can't, well, I could go, but I wouldn't be able to be on the floor, like to spot or, you know, make sure like if they hurt themselves, whatever, be there. He also coaches all the boys teams, I'm pretty sure, like every single one of them, and they have like a decent sized boys program. But yeah, so basically I'm there to like help them not look like boys when they dance, and then also so that our other coach can go to like his boys meets and stuff. But you have to go through this long like certification process. You have to like take a bunch of classes, and they range anywhere from like 60 minutes to 4 or 5 hours, so it's a lot of work. Especially when like really the only free time I have to do that is like at night after Hazel's asleep, or like in the day when she has her nap. Anyways, I'm getting so off topic. I always ramble like this. So this is the gymnastics place that I coach at. So she's going. Oh, speaking of that, I forgot I have to pay for it, so I'm super excited. She has only ever really been around one other kid, and so we'll see how it goes. I'm excited though. I'll bring my camera just to like film before and after, but I won't bring my camera like into the place, but I'll probably film on my phone. So good morning. Hello. What happened? Your leg. Why your leg stick? What's your foot doing out? What is that about? What is that about? Huh? What is that about? You silly. You silly girl. You say good morning. Hi. Alright. Here, come on, we gotta get you out this. Do you want milk? You want milk? You want milk? Yeah? Oh, you would give me a kiss? Can I have a kiss? That's Hazel. Can you give a kiss? We are having smoothies and we have to leave here in about 15 minutes. So she'll probably eat more in the car, but we do have to like get dressed and stuff. Or she does. Tink. Tink. We are in the car on the way to Target from Hazel's Gymnastics. It's only like a 30-minute long class, and they don't really do anything like gymnastics-y. They just kind of like walk around and like walk on the trampoline and like play with balls and like climb on mats and stuff, which is like totally understandable because they're so little. Like if you give them any kind of direction, like they're not really gonna understand it. So like I totally get it, and I've coached kids like that little too, so I totally get like the whole not really like doing anything. I'm gonna hold myself accountable for not spending any money at Target because I literally don't need anything. I might buy Hazel a snack, but other than that I do not need anything. So we'll see. Watch, I'm gonna buy something and then I'm gonna justify it later. Yeah, anyways, Hazel's class went super good. She did not cry. I thought maybe we were gonna have a little bit of a meltdown when class was over because she wanted to keep playing, but she did not. I kept my cool, which like I normally do anyways, but really good. I got her by being like, hey, let's go get some water, because she loves to drink water. So yeah, the 30 minutes actually went by pretty quickly. It was super fun and relaxing, and she did really well with other kids. Like she was sharing and all of that, so that was really great to see. But I don't know, I was also like probably more comfortable than if I was like going to a random gym for her class, because I work at this place, so like I know the people and I know the environment and I know where everything goes and stuff like that. So, and then the place we did have a little bit of struggle was putting her shoes and jacket back on to leave. She kept running away from me, so there's that. But we'll see how it continues going. It's once a week. I kind of wish it was more, but also like it was, oh sorry, it's a little shaky. It was a really, really nice experience for her. Back from our Target run in the car on the way home now. I got Starbucks at Target because I've really been craving a matcha, and I got Hazel some bacon egg bites because she was hungry, I think, after working hard at gymnastics. So on my way home, I did spend money, but most of it was on food. So you're welcome. I did good. I spent like 40 bucks, which was better than I've had in a Target run in a long time. I usually spend way more than that. So I'm on my way home now. He's probably gonna have a little snack. And then Teresa is also coming to my house. It's Teresa.
What do you want to say?
I just realized Hazel still has your watch, LOL.
Your message to Teresa says, I just realized.
Hey guys, so it's totally my bad. I completely forgot to film for the rest of the day yesterday, so it's the next morning. And yeah, so I got home from Target. Hazel went down for a nap, Teresa and I chilled, and then she saw this TikTok of like buying sweatshirts and patches and then like ironing them on. So that's what we did yesterday, and I totally should have vlogged it, but I literally didn't. I was just like so caught up in like doing it that I forgot to vlog. Anyways, But we made a bunch of hats. We made, me and Hazel and Teresa all have matching socks. So that's what we did the rest of the day yesterday. I think I'm like gonna make a TikTok of like the ironing on and stuff like that. I have like some video footage recorded, so maybe I'll insert that. I'm picking my mom up from the airport today. Probably just gonna hang out with her for the next week. All right, today is the first day of February and my mom is in town, so I've been kind of busy. Okay. Yeah, so my mom is in town and today's her last full day. And I work this evening. I'm coaching. So, we're gonna go to a farm this morning. Me, and you, and Gigi, and Teresa. Smoothie life. Oh no. Did it get on your hand? Oh no. Here you go. Can you give a kiss? Good job. All right. Anyways, that's the plan for today, right, Hazel? Right?
You guys step off?
Oh, look at the heart stones. Chicken, Hazel, look at the chicken.
Is that chicken?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. Look at those chickens. Oh, you take a step down? Here, do you want to feed some? Oh, shit.
Mom.
The whole bottom has a hole in it.
You want to give that to them?
Here, put it on the ground.
You sprinkle it on the ground?
You should come on the other side and take a picture of it.
Wow, did you hear that, Rooster? Oh, the bigger ones are getting in his way.
Okay, ready? Come over here. Come closer. Walk closer.
Good job, Hazel. Wow. She didn't even care.
Here, we don't want your fingers to get in. Did you see that baby? Want to pet him?
Oh, did he slip? Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bag ripped too.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see that one? Oh, look at this baby over here. Look at the eyes on.
Yeah,
why are
some
there slits.
sideways.
Yeah,
they're terrifying.
That's what they look like, Mom.
I've never noticed their eyes before.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know I don't look like top tier Laura, but I just want to finish out this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really supports my channel. And yeah, this vlog was kind of all over the place, but a couple really fun things happened, like Hazel's gymnastics, and us going to the farm. It was super fun. So yeah, follow me on Instagram at PlainOldLaura. Follow my podcast on Instagram at MindPlayClimbing,
and you can listen to Mindfully Climbing on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. We haven't uploaded in like a month, but we're coming back. We're coming back in February, which is actually also our 1-year anniversary of Mindfully Climbing. So I'm super excited. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.